Atomic batteries to power. Turbines to speed.
Roger. Ready to move out.
Robin, you haven't fastened your safety bat belt.
We're only going a couple of blocks.
It won't be long until you're old enough to get a driver's license, Robin. Then you'll be able to drive the Batmobile and other vehicles. Remember, motorist safety.
Gosh, Batman, when you put it that way. Gosh, I'm hungry. Hope Aunt Harriet has a good meal waiting. Let's go faster.
You see that sign, Robin? Speed limit, 55 miles an hour. A good driver always observes the speed laws. It's the best way to stay out of trouble.
You're right.
I'll be right there, Commissioner. The bat pulse.